Step into the Hyundai 2015 Veloster Turbo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio, AM/FM Sirius XM CD MP3 Dimension Premium, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.